Bybit pricing explained what you get for your money. Bybit is a cryptocurrency derivatives platform known for its leveraged trading, but most people get this wrong by assuming high fees automatically eat into profits. The surprising truth is that Bybit's fee model is transparent and competitive for both spot and derivatives trading. For spot trading, fees start at 0.1% for both makers and takers, while inverse perpetual contracts have maker fees of 0.1% and taker fees of 0.6%. As perpetual contracts generally have similar low fees, deposits are free, and withdrawals carry only blockchain network fees. Bybit also offers funding rates for perpetual contracts which fluctuate based on market demand. While this is not a fixed fee, it's essential to understand that long and short positions can incur costs or yield profits depending on market conditions. Advanced traders can take advantage of these rates strategically. The key to maximizing value on Bybit is leveraging low maker fees and funding rate opportunities. Traders using limit orders benefit from reduced maker fees, saving money compared to taker fees. For example, placing 0 in limit orders could save or more monthly compared to instant market orders. In conclusion, Bybit combines low, transparent fees with sophisticated tools for spot and derivatives trading. Understanding the fee structure, funding rates, and order types can significantly improve profitability. For active traders who want leverage, flexibility, and predictable costs, Bybit delivers excellent value for your money.